Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with a 2015 Ford Ranger, stock number 2345, and from 6/2015 to 4th 2022. This is a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch aftermarket real good tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door 1 dent, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch aftermarket real good tyre, left hand taillight, right rear aftermarket 17-inch real good tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door 4 dents, right hand door, right front guard, right front 17-inch aftermarket real good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster.